Hey there, Heartland Hypnosis Conference people. My name is Chris Lemig from True Nature Hypnotherapy out here in Seattle, Washington. And I hope that you will join me at my presentation, which is called There's No Such Thing as a Difficult Client, Discovering the Pure Intention of So-Called Problem Behaviors. And in this workshop, I'm going to be sharing techniques and strategies that you can begin applying right away to your clients, helping them to recognize and appreciate the pure positive intentions of all of their behaviors. The premise is that everything that we do in our lives is always aimed at the fundamental goal of being okay in the world, of being well, of being happy, of being deeply satisfied, safe, content. You can use all these kinds of adjectives for this deeply positive motivation. And if we look at people's behaviors, even self-destructive and unhealthy behaviors, as being problems or things to be gotten rid of, then we miss an important opportunity to really create and facilitate a much deeper, fundamental, transformative change for them. So I hope you'll join me at this workshop. It's a lot of fun. Again, I'm sharing techniques and strategies. It's going to be interactive. It's going to be playful. And I hope that you'll learn a lot. So I hope to see you at the Heartland Hypnosis Conference. I've had a great time there in the past. So looking forward to seeing you this year. Take care.